Welcome back to the last but not least basic of this 4-day series, time and money management. Money does not grow on trees, then how to grow your bankroll. Most people win many times, but when they lose their entire winnings in just a few minutes, simply because they don't have any time and money management system. This is as important as winning itself. Without a proper money management plan, consistent winning is impossible. So what is this and how to do it properly? Money management is the same like your salary saving account. The same way you manage all the household expenses every month and save something for your future or for investment purposes. The same planning you have to do here, but it requires some skill to manage your account. You must know how to play on safe mode. You must know how to fight against high-end probability. Your bankroll must match your game style, and most importantly, with your reverse plan. Never throw your money on the table. Handle with care and invest like a businessman, not like an addicted player. Like a businessman, you must plan your cash flow, insurance, asset allocation, investment, and of course, your retirement too. You have to decide when to start, when to quit, or when to continue. What should be your next step if you fail, and how long you can stay on with your methods. What is your plus and minus limit for the day? What to do next if you are in profit? Should you restart or continue with the current scheme? What will be your planning for the next day? Should you start from the same point you left last time and try to increase the share? Or should you restart? When should you raise your bankroll? There are so many questions like this in everyone's mind, and no one exactly knows what to do next. The same thing applies with the management of time. Time is money, so never ignore the importance of time, even if you have hours of free time. You must not be in a hurry to finish something else. You must not be tired. Plan only when you have enough free time. Stay away from making judgments. Focus on your target only and don't poke your nose in other matters. You must know how long you have to stay on a particular place. It may be different for different kinds of platforms. Rest and refreshment are most important, so never ignore this. You must know about the timings, day and time. You also need to know when to place a particular bet. You must understand the relationship between time and money. You can succeed more often if you know how to start doing the right things at the right time. And this is not impossible. You can do this with proper learning and practicing daily. Remember, nothing is possible without required learning and education. Education is the key to success for all. People spend years and big amounts for their schooling and then start earning in small installments. Nowadays, even the highest interest rate on your fixed deposit in any bank is not more than 6% per annum. But here, many people think about doubling it overnight without even educating themselves. This is not possible. You have to prepare yourself and be ready to face all the challenges. That doesn't mean you'll be doubling it every day, but surely with the right knowledge, you can achieve better results compared to what you'll get in a year from any bank. Remember, there is no strategy, no software, nothing that can guarantee wins forever. But yes, by learning the whole system in a proper way, you can definitely improve your chances and play much smarter. Don't waste your time anywhere. Join us now and become part of the Roulette Master Learning community. To learn in more depth, download our official Roulette Master mobile app. The first 8 chapters of our full course are completely free, and we have also uploaded 20 advanced strategies for you to practice step by step. Download the Roulette Master app from the links below in the description of this video. So this is the end of the 4 basics of Roulette. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back soon with another update on Roulette. Have a good day.